मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल बस पीरियड्स नहीं है. It is basically a tightly controlled endocrine activity which is mostly controlled by hypothalamus, ovarian and pituitary axis. Let's make it simple. Basically, hypothalamus GnRH नाम का एक हार्मोन सिक्रीट करता है. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड से LH एंड FSH हार्मोन सेक्रेट होते हैं एंड ये सारे हार्मोन्स क्या करते हैं? दे ट्रिगर द ओवरीज टू प्रोड्यूस द फॉलिकल्स which ultimately makes eggs in your body. Stress or nutrient deficiencies they result in disruption of this process. And जब ये process disrupted हो जाता है then we face problem like irregular periods and PCOS. So in today's video, let us understand कि हमारे body में, एक female body में, there are different hormones that has a role to play at different point in time, and उस hormone को produce करने के लिए which nutrient can help us the best. But before starting that, अगर अभी भी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू डू इट एट द सूनेस्ट ताकि आप ऐसे इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो मिस ना करो. एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन टू बी नोटिफाइड व्हेनेवर आई एम अपलोडिंग अ वीडियो. सो बेसिकली एक फीमेल बॉडी में एवरी 28 to 30 days 3 phases होते हैं. दैट इज फॉलिकुलर फेज, द एस्ट्रोजन स्पाइक एंड द ल्यूटियल फेज. हम हर एक फेज को अलग से डिस्क्राइब करेंगे एंड उस फेज में कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट ज़्यादा आपको बेनिफिट देगा दैट विल डिस्कस है. पहले हम बात करते हैं अबाउट द फॉलिकुलर फेज. फॉलिकुलर फेज में हमारे बॉडी का एक हार्मोन सेक्रेट होता है जिसको हम लोग फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन बोलते हैं. दिस मोस्टली ट्रिगर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द फॉलिकल्स एंड दिस फॉलिकल्स कंटेन्स एग्स. While our body secretes FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, at the same time gradually आपके बॉडी में एस्ट्रोजन भी प्रोड्यूस होता है. एस्ट्रोजन क्या करता है? ये हमारा एंडोमेट्रियम जो थिकनेस है इसको ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज करने में मदद करता है सो दैट इन केस इफ द एग फर्टिलाइजेस इट इज सूटेबल इनफ to implant in the uterus. So as the follicular stimulating hormone, that is FSH, increases, so does the estrogen. So at this phase, definitely protein and good fats are important because it is very important to keep in mind कि हमारे body में जो hormones produced होते हैं they are made up of proteins and fats. Apart from that, कुछ minerals भी important होते हैं जैसे कि vitamin B6 and zinc. They make sure that the quality of the egg that is being produced it is of good quality. So foods like almonds, walnuts, which are very rich in good fats and also good protein sources, the best being the egg, can help you at this phase. At the same time, many other green leafy vegetables जैसे कि broccoli हो गया, spinach हो गया, they will give you good sources of zinc. And the best fruit that you can have in this time is apple. They has a lot amount of vitamin B6, so they will help you a lot in this process. Apart from that, seeds like pumpkin seed can help you a lot during this phase because all of this contains the important micronutrient that you need during this part of your cycle. So when gradually this follicle stimulating hormone and estrogen it increases, ये जब धीरे धीरे बढ़ने के बाद ये जब पीक में पहुंच जाता है then our body secretes luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone क्या करता है? Luteinizing hormone ovulation में help करता है. फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन फॉलिकल्स को ग्रो करने में मदद करता है एंड दे मेक श्योर दैट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द एग प्रोड्यूस्ड इट इज़ ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी. अब उस एग को रैप्चर भी तो करना पड़ेगा. सो टू एंश्योर द एग रैप्चर्स व्हेन द एस्ट्रोजन रीचेस टू द पीक LH hormone is secreted which ensures the rapture of the egg. But here अगर आप इस फेज में डाइटिंग करते हो या फिर यू आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ जंक फूड then there are probability that the rapture might not happen. So adequate nutrition at this point in time is very important. You need to make sure कि आपका जो plate है that is well balanced. You're not having much of outside food. You're not having much of spicy food. Your plate is healthy and contains all sources of vitamin, minerals and the micronutrients. Try taking good sources of whole grains, fruits and legumes because they help in triggering the hypothalamus for this process. Now last but not the least is the luteal phase. जब ओव्यूलेशन हो जाता है एंड यू आर वेटिंग फॉर योर साइकिल, दिस 14 days gap is known as a luteal phase. इस फेज में नाउ ग्रेजुअली द एस्ट्रोजन लेवल्स विल गो डाउन, follicle stimulating hormone and LH levels will also go down and your body will start producing more of progesterone. Progesterone क्या करता है? In case if fertilization happens, it will support the pregnancy. So at this phase, it is very important कि आपके body में oxidation कम हो. You need to make sure कि आपका inflammation कम रहे in this phase. So which food can basically help you at this phase? You need to take good sources of vitamin C because vitamin C is mostly known to reduce inflammation in your body. Secondly, आप sunflower seeds ले सकते हो because they help in improving the quality of the progesterone. But make sure you are not avoiding good fats and protein at this point in time also, because they also has a very important role to play, as I said, in making the hormones. So now we know कि हमारे body में how our hormone work during this 28 to 30 days of the cycle. But what happens to our body? What goes wrong in our body when we have issues like irregular periods and PCOS? Basically, insulin resistance and more of inflammation, they are the main reason of PCOS. जब भी हमारे body में the insulin resistance is more, the inflammation is more, this hormones goes at stake. They cannot work actually how they are meant for. The reason being follicles not being properly developed, the ovulation not happening, resulting to cyst-like structures in your ovaries, which is mostly known as the polycystic ovarian syndrome. So now you know what is the main reason of those multiple cysts that are being seen in your ovaries. Basically, follicles to form हो रहे हैं, but they are not maturing as a proper egg. Egg is not rupturing. The reason being they are remaining as a cyst. And the only thing that help in this is to have a clean diet, to avoid a sedentary lifestyle. Make sure that you're walking for at least 30 minutes in a day, or you're doing some physical activities, be it you are going to gym or doing some yoga, but physical activities are must to reduce inflammation and also to reduce insulin resistance. The main reason, the main culprit of irregular cycles and PCOS. We'll discuss more in details in upcoming sessions about irregular cycles and PCOS. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please do drop it in the comment section. We'll be glad to respond to them. So see you on the next video. Until then, stay fit and stay healthy. Eat clean, eat healthy, and eat the right way to support your reproductive system.